Redback is stronger, safer, and less expensive than steel banding. If you're new to Redback strapping, here are some tips and tricks to help you speed things up and get the most out of our product. When threading the buckle, keep the legs on top and pointed to the right. You must keep the legs pointed to the right to properly close the buckle and achieve high tension. I like to put my finger into the loop to help pull the loop over the back leg. It's also helpful to pull any excess slack out from under the load before attaching the strap to the front of the buckle. Again, I like to put my finger in the loop to help pull it over the front leg. Now, keeping your finger in the loop, push the fixed buckle and strap away from you toward the middle of the load to make room for the tensioning tool. Brace the strap near the edge of the load and pull the loop toward yourself to remove any remaining slack. Then pull the tail to pre-tension the strap around the load. This is much easier than pulling just the tail or both tails at once. That creates too much resistance. Let me show you one more time. The simpler way is to pull the loop first before pulling the tail. This has the effect of easing the strap through two C curves instead of creating the resistance of one S curve. When attaching the tool, keep some room between the tool and the buckle. I like to start about 8 or 12 inches away because the buckle will draw down toward the tool during tensioning. When starting tensioning, pointing the nose of the tool slightly to the left will keep the strap aligned inside the cutting shear and the windlass. Do not overtension. The buckle is closed when the leg touches the base of the buckle. There should be no edges or points of resistance between the buckle and the tool.
Look at that.
Points of resistance cause bunching and prevent strap from feeding through the buckle. Make sure there is a straight shot between the buckle and the tool. Here you can see the edge of the board is preventing adequate tension. As a result, this load is not secure. With no point of resistance between the buckle and the tool, the strap will feed properly. This load is now secure. When threading Redback strapping under a crate or a pallet, I like to use Redback threading wands. Redback threading wands are equipped with a low-profile spring steel clip. But you can easily make your own with a yardstick or scrap of steel or wood and a binder clip. Redback strapping is designed to be used with Redback buckles. Our weave patterns, coating, and buckle geometry work together to provide some of the highest joint strengths in the industry. Redback's manufacturing processes minimize elongation to keep straps tight around your loads, and our coatings will not delaminate and gunk up tools or cause straps to slip out of our buckle. So, to maximize performance, be sure to always request Redback strapping and Redback buckles.